Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I made a beautiful resin geode using a dustpan. So I went ahead and mixed up some Artworks resin and divided it into several cups like you see here. Each one has different color pigments in it, and I just mixed them all up, and now I'm going to start pouring them randomly into this dustpan. If you're interested in seeing the colors I used for this project, I will be mentioning them at the end of this video. So I didn't really have a plan when I started, as usual. So I just went ahead and alternated colors, making these two little circles, and I just kept putting the colors in back and forth until I felt that there was enough resin in the dustpan to cover my board here. Then I just went ahead and tipped it on an angle, and so it slowly poured out, and I just went and did like a C-shaped pattern to make it look like a half of a geode. In this cup, I just have some purple resin with a lot of glitter in it, and I'm just going to pour that in the center. And now I'm just going to take some and drizzle it around the outer edge to create like a crust on the geode. And now I'm just going to take some white resin and pour that into the negative space and rub it to the edge. Now I'm just taking my heat torch and going back and forth to quickly pop all of the air bubbles in the resin. Off camera, I added some amethyst stones to the center, and I took some silver glitter glue and made some lines on it. And now I'm just taking a white Posca pen, and I'm just making those lines that you typically see in geode art. Now I'm just painting the edge of the board with some silver paint. And then I added another layer of resin over it when it was all done, just to seal it in and give it a nice dimensional look to it. And that's it. Then I just let it dry.